Hi and welcome once again to my watch blogging channel. The watch we have in question today is the Rado New Original. The model number is R12638173. Now let's have a closer look at this watch. This model is actually a chronograph watch, so it's a sporty watch, and it's not an automatic watch, it's a quartz movement. So if I look closely into the watch, you can see it is really beautiful. It is blue on the inside of the dial, and the outside of the dial is black in color. Now, about the specifications, firstly, as I mentioned, it's a quartz watch. It's up to 100 meters, water resistant. That's about 10 bars. It's a men's watch. It's 38.5 millimeter, the size. And of course the glass is sapphire crystal. The dial color is blue, like I said earlier, and it's made of stainless steel and titanium. I think this part of the watch is definitely titanium. We're referring to this part, the clasp. Now I'll explain the chronograph function of this watch, how it works. As we can see, it has got three counters. Three beautiful counters. The first counter, the one over here, is for 10 hours chronograph. It can count up to 10 hours. This one is for 12 hours. And the one at the bottom is the seconds. That one is always going to be in motion. You cannot stop that. It has the date over here at 4 o'clock. So you have a date aperture over here. Now, the seconds hand that we see here is currently stationary because I've stopped it. If we press the stopwatch, let me show you, that activates the chronograph. Now, as you can see, the white second hand is moving, but if we look behind, we have another black second hand, which is also very beautiful. So you may be wondering what's the purpose of these two second hands. Now, when the white second hand crosses a minute, after 1 minute of the white second hand reaching the number 12, the black second hand would move by 1 minute. All right. So that's a beautiful feature of this watch. You can use it to time yourself if you're a sportsman, if you jog, if you're a cyclist. I mean, that's the whole idea of this analog chronograph in the first place, before digital watches were invented. But analog watches will always be beautiful because they have this beauty. So we're almost nearing 1 minute, and after we reach 1 minute, you'll see the black seconds hand. There you see it. It moves by 1 minute. So that's what it's for. Now, if I press this button again, this would stop the chronograph. So it stops over here. All right. So the white second hand has stopped exactly where it is when I pressed it. And we press the lower button, it resets. All right, so all the counters reset. However, this one will keep moving. You cannot stop this one. The other beautiful feature is it has luminescence inside, markers, superluminova, which means you can read the time in the night time without any issues. And if we look at the sides, there's a crown in the center. This one is a screw-in crown. Okay. It has this beautiful Rado logo here, and the two buttons are for the stopwatch. If I look at the back side of the watch, it has these beautiful seahorses, which is quite a standard in Rado. You'll always see these seahorses. It's a sign that the watch is water sealed. This one's water resistant up to 100 meters, and the clasp is a simple clasp. It closes in this fashion, and if you press the button, it opens up. Okay, so that's titanium, as you see over there. And the bracelet, let's have a closer look. For those of you who may be planning to buy this one, it looks like this. Really beautiful. This is an original watch, my dear. I don't make blogs for fake watches. This is 100% authentic. So for those of you who already own or who are proud owners of this watch, you may know about the features of this watch. For the rest of you, this watch is priced at $870, that's US dollars. So all the best to the ones who are planning to buy it, and for the ones who already have it, now you have a fair idea about the features. Thank you once again.